Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to remove comments in Notion. So let's get started. So let's just say I'm going to write or add something here. This is my post and I'm going to add a comment. So I have to tap at this 9 dots right here and then look for comment and then type anything I want. Another way to add comment is to select all and you will see this comment box right here. Tap this one, then you can add a comment. So all you have to do is to press enter and you will see it right here. So there are a few ways on how to remove a comment here in Notion. First is you just have to simply click this comment box above and you will see here all comments, and all you have to do is just simply click this three dots right here and you will see the delete comment. So all you have to do is to click that one, or if you want to resolve it, tap this check icon right here. Also, another way, you can tap this filter, tap this comments only. You can see all the comments right here and do the same thing. All you have to do is to click this three dots and then click delete. As easy as that. So there is another option or a way aside from that. So let me add a comment first. So I think the easiest way to delete this is you just have to click this three dots and then you will see here a delete option, and all you have to do is to click delete. Tap delete again. Okay, that's how you remove a comment here in Notion. So let me add another comment again. So this time you can also click this updates, view updates right here, view all updates. You will see here the recently added comments or resolved comments, and all you have to do is to just do the same. You just have to click this three dots and delete comments. So what I'm showing you right now is for you to see all the comments here in Notion and simply delete it. Okay, you can also tap this three dots and then you have to go to customize page and then click this page comments right here. And then you can see minimal. Then you can see the result here like this, for example, and then tap this and then click the three dots and then click delete. As easy as. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.